To stop unwanted word changes, use the iPhone keyboard settings. Turn off autocorrection, then decide which typing helpers to keep. Open Settings on the iPhone. Scroll a little, then tap General. This is where iOS keeps system keyboard controls. Inside General, tap Keyboard. You should now see the switches that affect typing everywhere on the phone. Find autocorrection and turn it off. The switch should be gray. The change takes effect immediately in Messages, Mail, Notes, and other apps. If the suggestion bar also bothers you, turn off predictive text. If you only hate replacements, you can leave predictions on. For most people, leave check spelling on. You still get typo warnings, but iPhone will not rewrite the word automatically. If you like shortcuts such as On My Way, Becoming On My Way, Open Text Replacement, these custom shortcuts keep working without autocorrect. If odd learned words keep coming back, reset the keyboard dictionary from the Reset menu. Scan the full guide for screenshots and cautions.